US futures. After a massive bullish candle last Friday with the chairman pulse, rate cut expectations and the change in stance, we can see markets sharing here. But it has started the day with slight retracement as we have seen. The indices are slightly overbought. So can we confirm that this is a sign of reversal? Are the highs done? Are we waiting for a drop here? And what about Germany40 and FTSE100 both trading at extremes here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading these five major indices? S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, Germany40 and FTSE100. We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates on indices such that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US session. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into S&P, followed with Nasdaq, then Dow futures, and towards the end, Germany40 and FTSE100. Watch till the end. See, S&P seen moving close to the record levels. It is yet to break beyond the record here, and thus you have to wait for it to trade beyond 6480 in order to confirm the next move, which should take it towards the next significant milestone at 6500. And the zone here on the downside, see 64, 60, 64, 40 is going to remain crucial. This is going to act as a very strong support for the day. Moving averages have crossed over. These are trading bullish, and notice on the downside it has formed a very good support now towards 6360, 6380. This is the next strongest support here. When you'll talk about the stochastic, this is got to the oversold zone trying to bounce back, but look at MACD. After a stronger rise, it has crossed over at the top, trading bearish, signs of a reversal here. Because see what has happened here, drop and then a stronger pullback, retracement, then a stronger rise. So now once it tries to reverse, it should come back within the zone here. So this is something is a sign of slight bearishness. RSI was overbought, trying to cool down. Look at 2-hour charts, taking the support, trying to bounce back. Let it stay below this zone at 64.55, 64.50, and then specifically below 64.40 is where the bears are waiting. Moving averages crossed over for a buy. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD has seen a good rise. Wait for a crossover for sell. RSI near to top. Look at 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, yes, the prices were outside bands. It is retraced. I will wait for it to trade below 64.55, 64.40 levels in order to confirm bearishness today. Indicators are slightly at highs, though it is still got room for further rise. Same on the 4-hour charts, outside Bollinger Bands trying to show a pullback. If you see S&P trading below 64.55, take a sell. Expect possible move towards 64.40, the first target zone. Below 64.40 is where the bears are waiting. Below 64.40, it might try to erase the gains from the last Friday, which means a move towards 64.20, 6400. Those signs are very much bullish as of now. Coming to daily, S&P on the daily chart, see it is almost a double top. See drop here, retracement. The drop again was sharp, again a pullback. But this is just the first candle, and see it has formed a very good support here. This could be just a possible closing of some of the trades, and now markets can start erasing the gains here and might try to take the same trend. We have to wait. Today's direction is going to remain important. If it tries to trade beyond 6500, you should not be treating this as bearish. You should just stay bullish from there. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI flat. So looking at this, what you can do, first, where to buy? I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 6470 levels. Expect it to move towards 6480, 6490, and then 6500. Now you can see every 10 points S&P is going to get a little resistance. Till 6500 I am not bullish. Yes, till 6500 I am not bullish on S&P. Beyond 6500 we should not be treating this as bearish. Possibility of a move towards 65, 16, 65, 30 will increase, and then 65.50 should appear. Chances of this appears almost negligible as far as my opinion is concerned. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 64.55. Expect 64.40, 42, 64.28, 64.16, and then 6400. Below 6400, stay short for 6380, the most crucial one, and below 6380 it is not going to come back up again. It is going to move towards 6300 and 6200 levels very soon. It might take time, but yes, soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq100. Tech 100 after the good rise, trading in zone, very important for Tech 100 to trade beyond 23,600. Remember, After a good rise, it is just consolidating, and once it delivers a breakout, it might bring another round of rise here. But notice what's happening. This is also, you should look at, see this, connect the slope here. It is trying to hit the top at best. A reversal confirmation in Tech 100, a bullish breakout confirmation in Tech 100 is only and only if once it trades beyond 23,600 and 23,800 levels. Till 23,800, it's not bullish. Look at the formation, rise, retracement, rise. So possible retracement. And till now, 23,000, it's not bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD after hitting the top, crossed over for sell. RSI flat at top. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation, the convergence here in the moving average is a good sign for the bulls, but it is not yet supportive of a breakout. I will wait for the direction it takes today. If you see it is staying beyond 23,600, you can stay bullish. But I'll say 23,660, 23,710, 720 and 23,800 are the three levels on the upside you should watch out for. Indicators have cooled down and is still having room for further drop. Right now it is not showing bearishness though. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation, just connect the slope here. This is how it has been trading. The lows are far below. Let's wait for it to take a direction. Stochastic near to top, the MACD rising, RSI flat. And on the 4-hour chart, similar observation. The moving averages here have converged, though not yet crossed over, and are seen taking support here. Very, very important for Nasdaq 100 to trade below 23,450, 440 levels, and then 23,400 levels here. Till 23,440, 400 zone is not taken, you have to be cautious with the sells. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising. Coming to on the daily charts, remember it has formed a very good support now at 23,000 after the drop. It has shown first bullish candle. Today's move is going to remain important. Any move beyond 23,600, 660, 710 and 800. Beyond 800 anyways, it is a complete reversal and a massive rally could be seen. Also notice higher lows and higher highs. Now one point to note, see the rise it takes time, the drop comes sharper. The rise it takes time, the drop comes sharper. Now this is after a long time it is showing signs of a little pullback. I will say it is trading in this bullish channel, but the bulls not are very much strong here. Yes, the indicators are still on rise. So now what you can do, I will recommend you to buy at 23,528 levels. Expect 23,528, 23,555 and then 23,600. Till 23,600, you can expect a reversal any point of time. Beyond 23,600, expect 23,660, 710, 720 and then 23,800. Any move beyond 23,800 is a sign of a rally. Do not stay short for the near term if it stays below 23,800 levels. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry 23,440, expect 23,400. And then below 23,400 is where the bears are waiting, 23,320, 250, 200. A drop below 23,200, 23,000 is a must very, very soon. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. Same is the observation with Dow. See the first resistance, then a drop. Since then, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise. So once it shows you rise, it can follow with a retracement. Possibility is there that it may try to trade like this, where the lows now are towards 45k. And it is pretty important for US30 to trade below these lows, that is 44, 800, 700 zone, in order to confirm a reversal. Till here, it's not yet a reversal. Stochastic is rising. MACD, RSI both are rising, have signs for further rise. Look at 4-hour charts, consolidation and the breakout. And now it is just trying to erase some of the gains. So not yet a complete reversal, but yet slight bearishness might follow. Hence, if you see it is staying below 23,540, take 44,540, take a sell. And yes, signs are, when you see the stochastic, MACD or RSI, things are slightly overbought here. The observation is more or less same on the 3-hour charts. Rise, retracement, rise here. Possible retracement can be expected. 45,000 is the ultimate support. It is not showing such bearishness, at least for today. Moving averages, trading bullish here on the 2-hour charts. And on the hourly charts, slight retracement and a pullback here. I will wait for it to trade beyond 44,650 levels and 44. 700 levels, beyond which slight bullishness to be seen. Any move beyond 44,800 next is a 45,800 next is a clear sign of 46,000 levels. I'm still not yet out of 44 levels, yes, though it is at the record levels here. So now, considering this, before I provide you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do not miss to join the 34th mentorship batch starting 1st of September. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. And if you're looking forward to just trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, connect with me for queries. Again, on the buy side, 45,650 is the only level where you can buy. 45,700 the next, 760,800. Beyond 46,800, 45,800, stay bullish. We are going to see a move towards 46,000 soon. Though I'm not expecting such a rise today, but yes, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. On the downside, sell at 45, 640, 540, expect 45, 480, 45, 400. Below this, expect a down move towards 45, 200, 45,000. Below 45,000, that's the beginning of downtrend again. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to Germany40. See, DAX has shown a spike towards the top here and hitting the move towards, you can see 24,450 levels. Prices have reversed again. And see what a good drop it has started the day with. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop again. Now, if you see it is staying below 24,240 and 24,200, there's the sign of again beginning of downtrend here. Though the stochastic is oversold, but the MACD and RSI is still having room for further drop. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation here. See this nice flag? If it trades below 24,200, we can expect more bearishness here. And the observation is more or less same on the 3-hour charts. Remember, it's still delivering lower highs, lower lows. We have to wait for it to complete a move. Any move below 24,000 is a sign of further correction on the daily charts on the daily basis. Yes, it might put DAX on the near-term correction scenario. Look at the daily chart. See the drop, pullback, support from 20 period pretty strong. And that's why it is important for DAX to trade below 24,200, and then below that we can see a good move here. Notice every rise offsets with a drop. Lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. It has almost hit the top here. The lows here are far below towards 23,200 levels. Considering this, what I will recommend you to buy 24,340, expect 24,400, 450, 500. Remember, 24,450 is the most strongest resistance, 500 the next one. Beyond 24,500 is stay bullish for a greater bull run here. Yes, we are going to see a move towards 24,800 levels soon. Chances for which, as far as my opinion is concerned, appears less. On the downside, sell at 24,240, expect 24,200, 24,130, 24,060, 24,000. A drop below 24,000, stay short for 23,800 levels, and then below that a correction should begin. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to FTSE100. FTSE100, see, you can notice what it has delivered for the last couple of candles, higher lows, higher highs. Thus, it means at least till towards 92.80, 92.60 zone is not taken. You should be careful with the sells. Though it is started on a flat note, it is trying to erase, but I'll say 92.80, 92.60 is the zone you should focus on. Till here, it's not yet bearish. I will not say that FTSE100 has turned bearish as long as it stays above 92.60 zone. And also notice what it has done. Consolidation rise here. So yes, it is still staying bullish here. We have to wait for it to trade below 9100. That's a confirmation of a reversal on the daily charts. It's not showing such bearishness here. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. Slight bearishness, flat bottom. It is very, very important first for it to trade below 9320, then 9300, and then 9280, below which slight bearishness should prevail. Possibility is there for, yes, if you look at the 2-hour chart, 3-hour charts, see the bullishness is getting diminished, and now once it trades below 9320, 9300 zone, you can expect the bears to take over completely. Indicators are getting slightly overbought here. So considering this, what you can do first is where you should buy. Again, the buying entry now at 94.42, expect 94, 93.42, expect 93, 50, 52 as the next. If this is taken, stay bullish for 93.68 and then 93.82, beyond which sky is the limit. 9400 should be there. On the downside, where you should sell, I will recommend you to sell at 93.22, expect 93.14, 9300. Below this, 92.84 and then 92.60. Any drop below 92.60 is a sign of beginning of reversal towards 9200 zone. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.